Hi guys, welcome to Home Sketch. Today we are going to see a 30 by 55 east facing house plan with 2 bedrooms. In this plot, east and west is 30 feet, north and south is 55 feet. So the overall plot area is 1650 square feet. In this plot, east facing side is only the road and remaining all the 3 sides are only the vacant area. Client requirement of the plot was on car parking, living area, small Pooja room, kitchen and dining, and 2 bedrooms with attached toilet. This is the single story house plan, so staircase will not come. Okay, let's come into the video. But before, if you are watching our channel in first time, kindly do subscribe and watch. Okay, let's come. Okay, this is the overall floor plan of this house. In front, the east side, we provide the one big main gate to enter the house. And front side of the total space, we planned the parking area. The parking area measurement is 29 feet 3 inch by 14 feet 6 inch. We can park up to 2 to 3 numbers of cars in this parking area. On northeast corner, we planned the sitout area. The sitout area measurement is 18 feet 3 inch by 6 feet. And we provide the main door entry in this corner place. After enter the main door, we planned the living area. That living area measurement is 17 feet 6 inch by 16 feet. In this living area, sofa units will come this corner and TV unit will come this center place of the wall. And we provide the 2 number of big windows for this living area in ventilation purpose. So ventilation is not a problem for this living area. And southeast corner, we planned the kitchen and dining. That area measurement is 10 feet 3 inch by 22 feet. As per Vastu, we planned this kitchen stage. The kitchen stage and cooking stove always should be faced on east side. So we also planned according like that. So sink and stove will come this place of kitchen stage and dining table will come this place. And nearby the TV unit, we planned the one small Pooja room. The Pooja room measurement is 3 feet by 4 feet. This Pooja room also east facing. And southwest corner, we planned the bedroom 1. The bedroom 1 measurement is 10 feet 3 inch by 16 feet. In this bedroom, bed will come this northwest direction and dressing wardrobe will come this corner place. And we planned the attached toilet for this bedroom in this northwest corner. The attached toilet measurement is 8 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. And northwest corner, we planned the bedroom 2. That bedroom 2 measurement is 17 feet 6 inch by 10 feet 9 inch. In this bedroom also, bed will come this north-south direction and dressing wardrobe will come this corner. And the extreme northwest corner, we planned the attached toilet for this bedroom. That attached toilet measurement is 8 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. So overall, this is the floor plan of this house. Okay, the overall build-up area of this house plan was 1650 square feet. So the approximate budget of this house will come 32 to 37 lakhs. Okay, if anyone of your friends or relatives need this house plan, kindly share to them and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.